What's up guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Itunu Pepe, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I know that every one of us is at home at this point, being safe, washing our hands, spending time with our family members, and just living life, you know, we're indoors, but we're still living life, right? Being home doesn't mean you can't look cute. I filmed this video quite a while ago, and I just showed you guys how you can do DIY gel nails at home. So I hope you guys enjoy. You can still look cute while you're at home. So yeah, if you have a set of gel nail polishes at home, I'll show you how exactly you can have your gel nails done at home. Or even after the lockdown, you guys can go ahead and get a gel nail set. It's really easy, really simple. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave your comments in the comment section below if you do have questions. And if you guys are new to my channel and have not yet subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Go right ahead and hit subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy. Mwah.
Yeah.
What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to get gel polish done at home by yourself. This will cost about 30 quid, which is like 40 euros or 14,500 naira. This might seem like a lot at once, but I've had them for like 4 years, as opposed to going to the nail bar every couple of weeks. Savings! You'll be needing gel nail polish. This one came with 8 different colors, and I got it off eBay 4 years ago for about £10. You also need gel top and bottom coats. I got these ones off eBay for £5. This is the nail primer I got in the Netherlands for about 11 euros. I thought it was quite expensive, but you can definitely get a cheaper nail primer. You'll also be needing a nail buffer and a file. To begin, you need to carefully buff off the shiny top layer of your nails to help with adhesion of the gel polish. After that, wipe off the nail dust. Next, apply a thin layer of your nail primer on your nails, and be sure to coat all the corners of your nails. I don't know if this is necessary, but I like to cure my primer under the UV light for like 1 minute. One of the things you'll also be needing, a UV light. This one is from AliExpress. I believe I got this for less than $5, but I really can't remember how much it was. So next, I'll be lightly applying my base coat. You don't want any of these layers to be too thick, so they can cure easily. Be careful not to get the polish on your skin so it's not messy. If you do, you can just gently wipe around your nail bed. Go ahead and cure your base coat for 2 minutes, then we can move on to the next coat, which would be your choice of color gel polish. Of course, after every layer, we cure for 2 minutes, so we're doing the same to this. I like to do 2 to 3 layers of my choice color, which you guys will see in this video. When I'm satisfied with the color payoff, I go in lightly with a top coat. I like to apply 2 coats of this. My nails aren't perfect, they're still a bit messy, but this is how I do them at home. Let me know what you guys think of them in the comment section below. So this is me curing the last layer of top coat. Finally, off camera, I wiped down the tacky residue of nail polish with rubbing alcohol like methylated spirit. And that's it, guys. No long drying time. When you're done, you're done. That's the thing I love about gel polish, and they last so much longer than regular nail polish. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Share with a friend who you think might like or need this, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to stick around to subscribe and check out my other videos.
What we do here is go back.